Tired of Tableau's column limitations holding back your data storytelling? In this 90-second tutorial, we'll unlock the secret to grouping for columns into one row, transforming your data and visualizations for maximum impact. First, let's open Tableau and connect to your data source, a euro in this case. It is an Excel sheet with sales data spread across four columns representing different quarters. We will use the magic of pivoting. Select the four columns you wish to combine. These will usually contain similar data. Right-click on the selected columns. From the context menu, choose the option that says Pivot. Tableau will then consolidate those four columns into one called Pivot Field Names, containing the original column headers, and another called Pivot Field Values, holding the corresponding data. Rename Pivot Field Names to something meaningful, like quarter, and Pivot Field Values to sales. Now, drag quarter to the column shelf and sales to the row shelf. Choose your preferred chart type, like a bar chart. Congratulations, you've successfully grouped four columns into one row, creating a clear and concise visualization. Subscribe for more Tableau tips and tricks.